Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this Ford Escape, and this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your taillight bulbs and taillights. Well, first of all you have to replace the taillight in order to get to your taillight bulb. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open the trunk, and yes, I have some mess in the trunk right now, but now first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get a flathead screwdriver and remove these two covers, 1 and 2. How do we do this? Just get your screwdriver somewhere in the side and pry it off. Okay, I need 2 hands to do this, so let's do it. Once we have our caps out, we're gonna take a 10mm ratchet. Oh no, sorry, it's not 10, it's 8. 10mm socket with a ratchet, and remove these 2 screws, one right here and another one right here. So get them out. Alright, so I got 2 screws out. I'm gonna put them here for now. Now the thing is, we have to get the light out. So you can get it out by just pulling it towards yourself. I'll show you how I did this before. Now I'm gonna put you guys here so you could see. Hope you guys can see it from there. Let me see the angle. Yeah. Now what I'm doing here, I'm just gonna hold this with the hand, and with the other hand I'm just gonna try to tap it off like this. So yeah, so this is how I just tapped it out. Okay, the thing is, over here, as you can see, we have a clip, and this goes in here, right here. If we're gonna move it aside or something, or like this, you're gonna break this plastic, and it's not gonna hold, it's gonna wiggle all the time, so you'll have to glue it in or something. Yeah, so this I find the easiest way to get it out. Now, okay, that's it. So we have access to our bulbs. To get the bulb out, you just take it with the hand, spin it out. If you have to remove it, just grab it with your fingers and remove it. I'm not gonna grab it right now. That's it. Same thing here, just spin it. Okay, if you have to get it out, just remove it, and same way. Once you have the replacement bulb, just put it back in, find the position and spin it. Okay, so it's gonna hold. That's it. That's the whole procedure. As you can see, it's very, very, very simple. To put it back in, just put it back in. Here we have to make sure the holes are aligned. Here we have to make sure there are no gaps, and yeah, the light should go in. If everything is nice, now just light tap, and that's it. No crazy gaps, no nothing. Holes are aligned. It means we are all set. Now, yeah, so now we just have to put back these 2 bolts, 1 and 2, and then close it with caps, these 2 caps, and you're all set. As you can see, it's super duper simple. Hope this helps. If it does, please press like button, and have a great day, guys. Take care. Bye.